We all wonder, what will happen to our planet in the future? So in today's video I will answer all your questions.
So Dr. Brain, my first question is, how does our planet change economically?
So my answer to your question is right here. The world economy could more than double in size by 2050, far outstripping population growth. Due to continued technology-driven productivity improvements, emerging markets, E7, could grow around twice as fast as advanced economies, G7, on average. As a result, 6 of the 7 largest economies in the world are projected to be emerging economies in 2050, led by China, first, India, second, and Indonesia, fourth. The US could be down to third place in the global GDP rankings, while the EU 27's share of world GDP could fall below 10% by 2050. UK could be down to 10th place by 2050, France out of the top 10 and Italy out of the top 20 as they are overtaken by faster growing emerging economies like Mexico, Turkey and Vietnam respectively. But emerging economies need to enhance their institutions and their infrastructure significantly if they are to realize their long-term growth potential. So as far as oil prices are concerned, they could go up in a few years. But however, countries are trying to overcome their dependence on oil and find a new power source for the future.
What about climatically and geographically?
Good question, Rita. If we talk about the climate, then it would be correct to say that climatically the Earth would be no good. As we all know about global warming, coastal areas, including many low-lying islands, would be flooded. Severe climate change may bring more severe weather patterns, more hurricanes, typhoons, and tornadoes. More precipitation would fall in some places and far less in others. Regions where crops now grow could become deserts. However, geographically the Earth would be changed a lot. Around 50 million years from now, North America is predicted to shift west and Eurasia would shift to the east, and possibly even to the south, bringing Great Britain closer to the North Pole and Siberia southward towards warm, subtropical latitudes.
Dr. Brainline, big question still remains, will Earth exit after a few billion years?
That's a hard question, but I have the answer about that too, Rita. If we say what will happen to Earth in the next years, then here is the answer you are looking for. Earth will interact tidally with the Sun's outer atmosphere, which would decrease Earth's orbital radius. Drag from the chromosphere of the Sun would reduce Earth's orbit. These effects will counterbalance the impact of mass loss by the Sun, and the Sun will likely engulf Earth in about 7.59 billion years. All answers have been answered, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Comment down your questions so I can answer them for you.